We're up to our D, G, and B string triads. We're almost done. We got this one, and then on Thursday I'll post the G, B, and E, and then you got all your 1, all your 6 triad and inversion spots. And then we'll do 4, 5, 2, and 3. I just got done with 5, and it's pretty sick because now I got 1, 4, 6, and 5, and like that's so many songs. All right, whatever. Let's get started. So yeah, first shape. This is a little kind of staircase. We'll do it in G. So I got my G, which is the 5th fret on the D string, and then I got 4th fret on the G string, which is a B, and then my D is 3rd fret on the B string. Little staircase. It's also, if you know your bar chord, it's the part where it kind of walks up right here. So yeah. Right there. And it's in the form 2. Pentatonic. So if you're in form 2 and you want your 1 chord, there's a little piece of it right here. Also, you kind of commonly see also playing the 3rd fret on the low E, just to get that bass note in there. But this is what we're doing right now. So yeah, there's our non-inverted 1 on the DGB. Let's go to our first inversion. It's this shape. It's kind of like a D shape, but I think this is like a Jimi Hendrix chord. He uses it. So yeah, pretty much for it in G, I've got I got a B, which is on the 9th fret of the D string. I've got a 7th fret on the G string for my D, and I've got my G. Camera app just crashes sometimes. So yeah, here's our first inversion. We got 8th fret on the B, 7th fret on the G, 9th fret on the D. I think this is a Jimi Hendrix chord. I think he uses this one a lot. It's in your form 4. I like this one a lot. I like all the ones that are in form 4. That's another cool bonus thing I want to talk about. If you're in your form 4 and you land on your 1, like the point of the D, 1. A cool little. I like that little move. You go to the 2 and you bend it up and then choke it out at the top. Cool. Anyways, next one. Second inversion. You'll find up here. It's like if you know your A-shaped G bar chord, forget about the root note, and it's just that part right there. So I'm 12th fret on D, G, and B. It's at the bottom of your form 5 and at the top of your form 1. It's a really handy spot. So yeah, there's your 1 chords. Now on to your 6 chords on these strings. It'll be E minor if we're staying in G. So the first one, we'll take the E on the D string. We'll take its minor 3rd, which is going to be an open G, and then its 5th, which is an open B string. If, say we were doing it in a different key, you have to bar it, but for the sake of staying in G, it's right here. And this one is in your form 1. If you know your E minor chord, which you probably do, It's just like a little piece of that. And then to our first inversion. So we'll take our E, move it up to a G, which is the minor third of E. We'll take our G, move it up to a B, and we'll take our B, move it up to an E. So you get this little triangle shape. This one's cool. This one's in, I like the sound of this one. It's at the bottom of your form 2 and at the top of your form 3. It's like the little point on the form 3. Yeah. Right there. So that one's good. I like that one. And then next one is kind of the A minor shape. If you know your A minor, you bring it up so it's an E minor and bar it. Your A shaped E chord, right? It's right here. It's just that little piece of it. So I'm 9th fret on the D, 9th fret on the G, 8th fret on the B. It's in your form 4. So now, so now you got your 1 and your 6 triads and inversions on these 3 sets of strings. And if you're doing the practice thing, like the random.org thing that I've been putting in the description, which I'll update the last video's description too. You can hit like, so say, so I hit my 1. I can go to my 6 here on this other string set. You can bring in the other. You can bring in the other inversions that you've already learned. It's actually like you probably should. So yeah, that's that. And then on Thursday I'll do the last set of strings. I mean, you can do skip strings, but I'll do those probably way later. So GBE is coming next, and then we'll do the 4, then the 5, and then the 2, then the 3. So peace.